Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TX3750i or 3700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. So close this plastic inside, push it inside, then open ink access door. Then you wait for the printer, wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. To remove or replace the ink, just pull down this blue holder and remove the ink. To put the ink back or replace the ink, the colored one goes to the left. Make sure this chip or contact part need to go inside. Then pull the holder up. The black one goes to the right. Go inside. Then pull it up. Then close the cover. Then wait for the printer to recognize the ink. And once it's done, it will show you 0. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink cartridges 575 black and 576 color. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.